How to change Facebook mobile number. So let's see in this video. Before moving forward, make sure you like this video and subscribe our channel for more updates like this. First of all, you have to open up your Facebook. And if you have multiple ID or multiple page, make sure to log in with your real ID where you want to change your phone number. After that, tap on the hamburger option in the right upper corner. And here you will be able to see the settings option. Simply tap on that. After that, you can see the personal information option. Tap there. And here you can see the contact info option. Simply tap on that. After that, the phone number you have linked with your Facebook ID are displayed over here. You can tap on the add phone number option. And here you have to enter your phone number and tap on continue. After that, your phone number will be changed. If you want to remove the existing phone number, then you can simply tap on the phone number that you want to remove. After that, you can tap on the remove option and you can tap on remove number. And you have to enter your password for the confirmation, and after doing that, your phone number will be removed from this ID. So in this simple step, you can change your Facebook mobile number. So hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Hope to see you guys in the next video.